بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت. Brothers and sisters, out of the mercy and the wisdom and the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set it to be that could never be a command or an obligation or a burden to be set on any soul that couldn't be done. We need to be certain and to be sure and to have faith and to believe also that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never command us or obligate us with something that we could never do. And in any situation we find ourselves in, no matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult it is, we need also to be certain that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that we can handle it. In the process, we do not forget to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help and for assistance. Same as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ended this special verse and set it to be the ending of one of the great chapters of Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, and said, رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَّسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تَحْمِلْ عَلَيْنَا إِصْرًا كَمَا حَمَلْتَهُ عَلَى الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِنَا رَبَّنَا وَلَا تُحَمِّلْنَا مَا لَا طَاقَةَ لَنَا بِهِ. We are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we are declaring before we proceed with any commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we are humans and we will be falling into such mistakes. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness. وَاعْفُ عَنَّا وَاغْفِرْ لَنَا وَارْحَمْنَا أَنْتَ مَوْلَانَا فَانصُرْنَا عَلَى الْقَوْمِ الْكَافِرِينَ. Such a relief when we have such a special relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You see, that special dua has been chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala precisely with such words and vocabularies to build the perfect belief and relationship between a servant and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will command and we will follow. And in the process, let's not forget to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His help and His assistance. And we also ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness and mercy if there has been any mistake.